What's up? I got a zippo and I want to show it to you. Right here. There's my zippo. I got it for, I think, $25. I also got zippo fluid with it, which is $3.99 for, what is it, 4.68 fluid ounces. And here's the nozzle for it. And yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It's windproof. There it is. My zip up. It's a regular black crackle. There's like a texture on there if you can see it. Like the texture of it. It's very soft actually. I kind of used it a lot, so my wick is kind of like burnt and it was kind of wobbly. The insert was kind of wobbly, so I just stuck in some white paper like in between the case and the insert, so it doesn't wobble as much, and it works just fine. I'm enjoying it a lot. It's pretty good. It's good outside when it's windy. And yeah, I learned a few tricks, but I'm not really gonna show them on camera yet. So there it is. There's my zipper. Kind of used it a little bit too. See, 'cause opening it too much. There it is. Goodbye.